Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix photos unable to load error on iPhone. Step 1. Check your internet connection. If your photos are stored in iCloud, they need internet to load. Connect to Wi-Fi or turn on mobile data. Open Safari to see if web page loads. Step 2. Turn iCloud photos off, then on. Go to settings, then tap on your Apple ID, then tap on iCloud, then photos. Turn sync this iPhone off, then turn it back on. This forces photos to re-download properly. Step 3. Check iPhone storage. If your storage is full, photos won't load. Go to settings, then general, then type on iPhone storage, delete large videos, apps or unused files to free up space. Step 4. First close the Photos app. Open app switcher, swipe up to close Photos, then reopen the app. This refresh the loading process. Step 5. Turn off low power mode. Low power mode can pause iCloud syncing. Go to settings, then tap on battery, turn low power mode off. Step 6. Restart your iPhone. A simple reboot fixes stock photo downloads and iCloud sync issue. Step 7. Check your Apple ID. Photos will not load if the wrong Apple ID is signed in. Go to settings, tap your Apple ID. Make sure you are using the correct account that stores your photos. After those steps, your photos should start loading normally again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.